important features, how to acquire the training and skill set for opening a laptop repair business. See, to open a laptop repair business, you have to be qualified enough to handle the repair job. You can only do this if you are good in basic electronics. Basic electronics includes the identification of spare parts, the components, the coils, the MOSFETs, the resistors, capacitors, and the ICs. How to identify these components, how to test these components, how these components work. See, working is also very important. You should be able to know the working of these components. Only then you can identify how the current flows and how these components are attached with other components. To acquire this kind of training, first of all, you have to do a course of basic electronics. You can do this course anywhere from some government institution, or you can attend online classes. Some private institutes also offer this kind of course. So basic electronics course is the first priority in doing a chip level repair work. If you have done some degree or diploma in electronics, like you have done electronics engineering or some ITI course in electronics, then you need not to go for this basic electronics course. You can directly opt for some chip level course. Chip level course includes the working, how the circuit works. See, circuit, when the current entered this laptop from this DC jack, first step where it goes, then next stage, then next section, the overall functioning of this section, how this section works, this how many MOSFETs and ICs are required to operate this section. See, take the example of this RAM operating section. It includes four MOSFETs, two coils, one coil, and a set of capacitors. You can take the example of this PCH also. It requires one coil, operating IC, and the MOSFETs on the other side. Alright. So you will be able to identify the working of this all the sections in detail after doing the chip level course. This chip level course duration may be any according to you. Minimum duration of this chip level course is 1 month. You can opt for a crash course in this chip level work. The crash course includes a full week practice from morning to evening, continuous 8 hours class for 1 week. But if you go for a 1 month course, then it is better. See, after doing a course, after attending a class, you should have spare time to revise what you have done in the entire day. If you go for a crash course, see, you will spend whole the day and the evening in doing this course. Then you will be tired up. You will not get enough time to revise the theory or practical which you have done in the entire day. So go for a 1 month class, and if you want to extend the class, go for a 3 months or 6 months training. You can choose for attending online classes, or you can choose some other institution for doing this kind of course. But choose the best institution or a good institution for doing this kind of course. There are cheaters in the market who give this kind of training. Do attend some training, some demo classes in that institute. This is a free of cost demo class. You will be able to determine the knowledge of that person by attending the demo class. So don't go for some cheap or local institutions that offer this kind of chip level course. This chip level course is costly nowadays, so go for a good institution. See, the chip level course starts from anything ranging between 30,000 to 50,000 Indian National Rupees INR. So go for a good institution to choose this kind of a course. if you compare these courses with online classes, live class in the classroom and the online classes. See, if you are from distant location, a far away remote location, you can choose for online classes. But if you can get into the classroom, you will be able to work on the motherboard under the supervision of some qualified engineer. That is a good aspect in getting the chip level training. So go for a live class training if you can get this training nearby your place. Simultaneously with the laptop repair business, you can add some other business also, like a mobile repair business. The mobile repair business is closely related to this laptop repair business. See, the components, the ICs, the MOSFETs, the resistance and the capacitors are same in the mobile phones. Only the size has reduced in the mobile phones. Rest of working of all the components is same. So you can also undergo some training for mobile repair course, and if you are good in replacing these components, the MOSFETs, the ICs, the capacitors, the resistors. The same thing is on the mobile phone's motherboard. The only thing is that the size of the motherboard is bit small in the mobile phones. Otherwise, all the components and the tools required for the mobile phones are same. So you can go for a mobile repair business simultaneously with this laptop repair business to earn something extra.